Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you some basic of using Excel. Let's right into it. Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys as fit as a fiddle. Actually, today I want to try to help anyone who is out there facing problems in using Excel because not all students are good at using technology. In fact, some have never touched a computer at all. I'm here to try to help as much as I can. This is the first time I make a tutorial video, and welcome to my channel. If you guys want to have a deeper knowledge about Excel or you guys want to learn some basics, I hope this video is suitable for you guys. In this video, I want to show 4 formula you guys can apply on your work project, school assignment, and other than that are using Excel. It's a good news. First, the formula is not hard, and I will explain biological so that you guys not just remembering it, but know how to use it or when to use it. So guys, I think we can start our tutorial section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So those are the formula that we are going to use, and I will explain it one by one. Those are the data that we are going to use and apply the formula that we are going to learn. For instance, here there are names of employees and also their gender. Also, here is data for each month, namely the first month, second month, and third month. I assume this is the sales they get for each month. I think we can start with the first formula. The first formula is sum. This formula is used when we want to add up some data. For example, here we want to add up the total sales data for each month for an employee. And now we're gonna apply the formula. So first, you press the equal button and write sum, put bracket, and choose the data that you want to total up and close it with bracket. And now you guys want to get the other value as well. So I recommend you all to select the data in the first box. The implicit meaning for this action is so that later you all can get another data without having to enter the formula again. And now we're going to drag down the data. Make sure when you drag down, there is a plus symbol in the corner of the data box on the right, and then just drag down, and here you go, you got the other data as well. And now we are going for a second formula. The second formula is average. In math, the average value in a set of numbers is the middle value, calculated by dividing the total of the value by the number of value. When we need to find the average of a set of data, we add up all the value and then divide this total by the number of value. But in Excel, it's not that complicated. You all just have to enter a certain formula like this. You press the equal and then type average and put bracket and choose the data that you guys want to average and close with bracket and press enter, and you get the value. And now you all have to drag down like before to get the other value as well. So make sure there's a symbol and then go drag down, and here you go. And now we're going for a third formula. Next, we will go to the if formula. This formula can basically determine the data based on our own criteria. For example, there are test marks which are 60, 75, and 90. Score above 60 will pass and others will fail. Here we can see 75 and 90 will pass and 60 will fail because it does not exceed 60 marks. Likewise with Excel, we can apply the same thing as the example above by using the if formula. The formula will be like this. You guys just put the equal and write if, and then put the bracket as usual and choose any value, and you guys should determine this data should exceed how many value. So for example, like here, this data should exceed and then put the comma and put the criteria you want. And when you put your criteria, don't forget to put an ellipsis symbol. Pass, comma, ellipsis, and fill, ellipsis, and close it with bracket. Enter. Here you go. And then just drag down to get the other information as well. There you go. Now let's move on to the final formula. Lastly, I want to teach you guys how to rank the data. After you add up all the data in the table, you can determine which data is the highest and get the first rank. For example, the sales revenue for 5 entrepreneurs is 300, 450, 210, and 600. From that data, we can find out which data will be at the first rank, and of course, it will be the 600, and the lowest rank is 210. Excel has provided a formula that can apply the same thing as the example. So now, to add the formula, just type equal rank and also bracket and choose the value. Here, you should add the comma because you want to compare with the other data as well. And then you guys select the other value as well. And don't forget to press F4 and then close it with bracket and enter. And then you guys can drag down to get the other information as well. And boom, here's the result. So I think this is the end of my video. I really hope that you guys enjoy my tutor section and know a little in the use of Excel. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell.